Yes, hello everyone. Today I came across a warehouse selling this earbuds. It is wireless earbuds as is, untested. And I got it for about 49 pesos, or roughly around, is it 89 or 82 cents? That's less than $1 each. So the problem with these earbuds, people consider this as disposable because the battery is so tiny and you cannot replace it easily. But for your technicians and everybody who knows technical stuff like me, we could easily fix this one by replacing the battery. So, tignan natin kung gumagana pa, no? Well, 50-50 kapag ito ay na-stuck ng matagal and na-drain hose to. Unang-una nasisira dito yung battery. So, hindi na siya mag-charge. Usually, tapon na talaga, no? Kahit gumagana pa yung earbuds. Dahil this is not user replaceable, no? So, sobrang liit niyan. So, ang battery kasi niyan, dalawa. Meron siyang maliit na battery dito sa earbuds mismo. You see that? Napakaliit niyan. Sa loob niyan merong maliit na battery. And then, also, dun sa kanyang charging box dito, meron ding battery yan. So, imagine kung ganito kaliit, no? Who would dare to change batteries? Bibili na lang sila ng bago. But for me, let's try kung kaya nating i-repair to. Okay, so right now I'm here in my work area and let's try to charge this. Actually, charge ko na yung iba, no? So, let's see this one. So, charge ko na to. So, meron siyang 95%. We have 95% battery. So, this is good. And the earbuds is good also. So, jackpot tayo sa isang to. How about this one? They're good. So, gumagana siya. This one. Ito muna. So, this one is 100% good also. So, nag-charge pareho. So, looks like yung mga digital display, na earbuds na nabili natin is good. So, jackpot tayo sa dalawang to. Only 49 pesos, less than $1. How about this one? This one, no, it's not charging. Isaksakan natin ng ating charger. So I'm using my power supply right now here. Meron siyang USB port. Saksakan natin ng charger. Looks like the bud is charging. Okay, buds is good. Unfortunately, etong battery na ito, built-in, mukhang hindi gumagana. Yung battery nung sa charging box niya is not working, so maybe we got to replace this one. Etong blue, let's see. Okay, so may charge tong isa, itong isa. No, it's not charging. This one is good. Pero yung battery niya built-in, tingnan natin. So, okay, looks like it's charging. It's 1 bar to full. Okay, this is good. Yeah. So, they're both charging. Pero itong isang to, pag inangat, no, it's not charging. May problema yung battery sa loob, no. Anyway, we could replace that later. This one is good. So what do we do now? This one, it has a working battery box, or charging box, good battery. Itong isa, sira itong battery box pero parehong gumagana yung earbuds. Itong isa lang ang gumagana ng earbuds. No, ito lang. So what we'll do is to exchange the battery. Yung battery nito, ililipat natin dito. So the first step in every repair is to figure out how to open this one. Yun ang first step natin, no? So tanggalin muna natin itong mga buds na to. Okay, so ito yung pinaka mahirap sa lahat, no? Pagka mag-open ka ng ganito. Kasi usually, kapag mga selyado, minsan kapag binubuksan mo, mawawasak mo lang. So that's why they say it's disposable. Because once you open it, you will destroy the casing. But this one, I think there's not here. So hindi lahat ng buds ay ganito, no? Kadaling buksan. Merong iba kasi talagang selyado. Kapag tinanggal mo, usually you will destroy. When you pry it open, you will destroy the casing. Well, you can make it work, but unfortunately, the cosmetic will not be good anymore. But yes, you can use it. But this one, you see, it pries easily. So this one is good. So tingnan natin kung anong klaseng baterya meron to sa loob. Oh, look at that. Lobo na siya. Actually, may mga nabibili na ito sa tong battery ng ganito. Minsan nakakahanap ako na ito sa Plaza Miranda sa Quiapo. So I think this is this common battery, sa mga MP3 players dati. I don't know kung meron pa itong gumagamit ng ganito. Siguro dun sa mga sa mga China drones na mura. Ito. Saka mga cheap MP3 players, kung makakahanap kayo, meron pang ganito. So it could be replaced, no? Tingnan natin itong isa. Ito kasi buo to, So meron tayong dalawa niyan. Itong isa, basically the same, iba lang ng kulay. So I bet they have the same battery. So let's open this up. So you see how it's easy to open this one. So definitely, kapag marunong ka, hindi mo talaga itatapon, no? So teka lang, hanapin natin yung oops, sorry. So may mga notch lang siya, mga clips that you should remove. Yeah, just pry it open. Careful. Okay. Okay. This is much better. Yeah, malutong pa yung battery. Okay, so hindi siya bulging. Hindi siya lumobo. So, this is good. Pero, pagkaiba sila, itong isa naka-wiring siya. Ito, directly nakahinang. So, what we'll do now is to, we get to exchange batteries now with this. I prefer to repair this one kasi parehong gumagana yung buds niya. So, hindi ko na kailangan palitan na sa loob itong battery. Kasi mas mahirap palitan itong maliit, no? So, dito na lang tayo sa mas malaking battery. Ito. Oh, sorry. Okay. Hintayin natin yung uminit. Here. Okay, so what we'll do now here is, since hindi na natin gagamitin to, ito na lang pala para mas mabilis. Remove the tape. So this is the old battery, the bloated one. Then, remove na lang natin dito to. Let's put some soldering paste here. I should have used flux, pero wala akong flux ngayon, so soldering paste na lang ang gagamitin ko muna. Okay, this one's good. So we have the positive red, and the blue one is negative. So dito sa isa, ito yung ipapalit natin. This is the working battery. No, not bloated. This is good. So ito yung papalit natin doon. Let's put the soldering paste first para mabilis siyang matunaw. Just be careful not to short the terminals. Yun ang kalaban ng ng lithium ion or even the lithium polymer batteries. Be sure not to short them because either they might heat up or explode. Yan lang ang kalaban yan. Yung shorting and overheating. Kalaban ng lithium ion batteries. So just be careful. Okay, this one is good. So again, itong batteries na ito is replaceable naman. If we can find a replacement, pwede tayong bumili ng bago. Wala lang akong ngayon, spare. Kaya bumili tayo ng marami para at least meron man lang isang gumana na mapapalit. Pero usually ito lang naman ang nasisira dito. The buds itself, the earphones, the phones themselves are very good. They last long. Batteries, yung battery lang talaga kapag na totally drain, 50 na yan na ma-charge mo pa. So huwag nyo i-stack ang earphones nyo, ang wireless earphones nyo, wireless buds nyo ng matagal. From time to time, kargahan na siya kahit na kung hindi nyo gagamitin at least once a month, charge nyo siya para hindi masira yung battery. Okay. Okay. Before anything else, test muna natin ang voltage. Okay, this one is full. 4 volts. Full charge siya. Yung sirang battery, check natin. Okay, so this is 0 volts. That's why it's not charging now. It's drained totally. So this battery is destroyed. It's bloated and cannot be charged. So tapon na yan. This one is good. Ito yung papalit natin. See that? It's 4 volts. This is fully charged now. So this one is positive. Yeah, just be careful with the polarity. Red is positive. So let's do it. Again, this is a TWS buds. TWS brand wireless earbuds. Yeah, it's repairable, as you can see. So this is good, this is positive, yung pula, negative to. Okay, that's good. Let's put it all back together again. Just to be safe, lagyan lang natin ito ng tape. Okay, so, yeah, para hindi mag-short, no? So, be sure na okay siya, hindi siya mag-short sa loob. So, just to be safe, insulate natin siya dun sa pinaka-circuit niya. Okay. Okay, this one is good already. Balik natin sa kaha. So, meron para siyang tornilyo. Nakalimutan natin. Okay, so let's put it back together again. So you see, this one is replaceable. No? If you know how to fix this one, well, it's not really disposable. There you go. Try uli natin. It's fully working now. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Look at that. This both working now. Good. So out of curiosity, itong isa naman, Well, ito, pwede pa rin natin naman i-repair to. We can still fix this if we can find the same battery, yung Lumova. If we can find this battery. So I'm sure merong nagbibenta na ito ng mga battery depot. Like sa Quiapo or sa Plaza Miranda. Okay? Sa Santa Cruz meron yata ng battery depot. So I'll check soon. So pwede ko pang i-repair tong isang to. But out of curiosity, yung sira natin na pads, meron tayong sira ditong isa, yung hindi nag-charge. Okay, this one is working. About this one. So, ito yung sira. So, out of curiosity, buksan natin tong isang to. Tingnan natin kung anong klase yung battery niya sa loob, So, this is straightforward. Pero i-open din natin. So this is a TWS buds, Okay, so yun yung earphones niya, pads niya sa loob. Yan. Ito yung microphone. Kasi sa phone naman ginagamit to, Meron siyang built-in microphone na maliit. Then, ito yung battery niya. This is not a common battery. So, this is not easily replaceable. Pero pwede naman i-repair. If you can find this replacement. Possibly sa Plaza Miranda, sa Quiapo Church. Yung mga nagbibenta ng cellphones doon. Mga piyesa ng mga phones and tablets. Baka lang meron ganito. Or doon sa Santa Cruz, may battery to po doon. Pwede rin tayo maghanap. So, replaceable naman lahat, repairable, basta may makukunan kayo ng piyesa. That's why bumili lang ako ng marami na ito, mga 5 piraso na ito. Para makita kung madali siyang i-repair or i-replace yung battery. So, nakita naman natin na madali nga siyang buksan. Yung iba kasi hindi, But this one, TWS buds, wireless buds, it can be easily replaced. Pero sa kanan natin, stock na muna natin to since wala tayong piyesa niyan. So, balik na muna natin. Meron pang isa dito Itong isang to, sa HMR din to. This is 99 pesos. This is working naman. But the problem is battery din. Zero charge na siya. But the pads is the earbuds working, the charging and okay. Pero yung battery niya. So, tingnan natin. Subukan natin i-replace ng isang to. Let's see. I think meron tong teka lang. Meron siyang notch dito. Yeah, I think so. Yan na siyang spring. Tingnan natin anong klaseng battery ito. Okay. Top cover off. Ngayon dito, I think, papry din yata ito, ano. Tingnan natin. Yeah. As expected. Papry mo rin. Wala naman siya ibang tornilyo. Ito lang. You have to be careful lang. Okay. Mukhang na-repair na rin to. So, ang battery niya is 18650. Subukan natin i-replace tong isang to. So, natatanggal naman siya dito, no? So, set aside man natin yan. Check natin ang voltage na itong isang to. 0 volts na siya dun sa kanyang display. Ay, 0% pala, sorry. So, 2 volts. Sira na rin itong battery to. Oh, hindi pa. 335 pero 0. Mukhang may problema yung kanyang battery box, no? Minsan kasi nagkakaroon ng moisture to, no? So, tingnan natin. I-reheat ko to. Gamitan ko ng soldering hot air revert station. Tingnan natin. Baka dun lang sa ano. Okay. Inspect natin yung kanyang circuitry. Ginawa natin tong ribbon. Baka masira. Putol na. Okay. Tingnan natin, examine natin sa microscope ko. Ano? Gamitan natin itong microscope. Inspect lang natin yung kanyang circuit. Okay, so dalawang IC lang ang mayroon dito. This is GR3002. Itong isa. Mukhang binura nila yung mukhang burado yung kanyang ano. Okay. So, binura nila yung kanilang part number para hindi siguro mag-aya, no? So, we cannot tell kung buo siya talaga dahil wala tayong reference na itong IC na to. Just the same, test na lang natin yung kanyang mga capacitors kung may short. Kasi sa 3.3 volts, dapat meron pa siyang at least 2 bars or at least 20% na battery. Pero nag-zero na siya, no? So, definitely may problema to. This capacitor. This plus battery. So, capacitor to malamang. Itong isa shorted. Okay naman. Okay naman siya. Pasadahan na lang natin ng hot air for about 1 minute. Okay, that's it. I think that's enough. Kung ano man yung moisture or kung may loose connection naman dyan ay siguro naman nahinang na siya ng maayos. Sometimes kapag ayaw gumana yung gadget, pwede mo namang initan ng i-rework, ihinang uli yung mga pyesa. Either factory defect o kaya dahil sa kalumaan na stuck ng matagal yung mga solder points niya ay lumutong na. So pwedeng ganon. So it helps din kapag meron kayong hot air, pwedeng pasadahan ng hot air for about 1 to 2 minutes at 300 degrees Celsius. So anything is possible. Anyway, 90 pesos lang naman to. It doesn't hurt kung subukan natin i-repair. That's no problem with it. Okay, so it's good. Let's try, kung gagana siya sa battery. So first, balik naman natin sa kahay. Okay. Balik na natin itong kanyang display. Ito yung nagustuhan ko dito, Ganda ng display niya. Be loud, be proud. Okay, so let's see. Tama ba? Is it good? Dito yata. Then dito, ito yung kanyang kabit natin yung battery. Where's that battery? Ito. Test ulit natin dito sa may niya bago ko ikabit ng gusto. Oh, may 5%. Okay, so it's draining fast. I don't know why. Palitan natin na ibang battery. Okay. This one. Ito mga lumang battery to galing sa laptop. Pero pwede pa naman gamitin. Basta may charge lang, magkakarga naman. 3.8, pwede pa to. Ito galing sa camera. Kaso mas maliit nga lang. Mas mataas. Subukan lang natin. So this is positive. Negative. Tingnan natin ilang percent. Okay. %57%. Look at that. Bilis siya magdiskarga, no? May problema tong anong to, circuito na ito. Oh, bumababa siya. Well, anyway, I think this one is bad, no? Yung kanyang, I think dito sa may ano to, sa may piyesa na to. We cannot repair this one. Pwede namang isa-isahin yung piyesa, pero wala tayong replacement ng IC. Hindi ko alam yung part number ng IC na yun, so hindi ko alam kung paano palitan. While the capacitors and capacitors and resistors na nandito sa piyesa nito is all good naman. I think dun lang talaga sa IC ang problema. Although wala nga tayong pamalit. Hindi ko alam yung value noon, yung part number noon, so hindi ko mapapalitan yun. Unless may kapareha tayong ganito na pwedeng pagkahuyan. Kasi itong mga TWS na ganito, yung itim, yung ganitong klase, nasubok ko na ito, tumatagal ito ng mga at least 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours, dire-diretsong gamit. So, okay na rin. Pero magagamit mo siya, as long as fully charged yung kanyang buds. Doon lang naman sa battery. Dito lang naman nagkaroon ng problema eh. So, pwede pa rin naman. Okay, that's it for now. May nabuo naman tayong isa. So, 4 na yung gumagana. So, hindi na rin masama, no? 49 pesos itong isa. Itong isa lang yung 99 pesos, 100 pesos ang hindi natin napagana yung kanyang battery box. Pero pwedeng gamitin pa rin. Kasi buo naman yung buds niya. As you can see, gumagana pa rin naman siya. Yan o. Diba? Ito lang battery box ang problema. So, ibalik ko na. Yung charger or box niya, ito no, may problema. So, I can't repair this one right now. So, maybe next time. muna natin. Okay, good. Ganda sana, no? Zero. Pero, mag-charge mo naman siya. Pwede pa rin mag-charge siya ng 100%. Mabilis nga lang mag-drop voltage. Maubos yung battery niya. Wait lang. Ano pala to? USB-C pala to. Pero matagal siya, kahit 0% na. Yung kasing naunang battery niya, pag nag-0 na automatic, mamamatay na siya. Pero ito, matagal pa. Kung okay din, subukan natin i-charge ng full. Then mamaya matetesting natin. Charging siya. Basta nag-ano siya, yung yan. Mag-charge yan. Pero pag tinanggal mo, needs to be charged first. Okay, so iwanan muna natin dyan. So I have now 3 working units of this one. Yung isa, itong isa for repair. So susunod kasi wala akong battery na bibili pa tayo ng ganito. Okay. And also yung isang ano niya, yung isang ganito. Ito sira to eh. Papalitan din natin kung may mahanapan. Ano, kasi itong isa gumagana to, wala rin karga, Anyway, mare-repair pa rin, battery lang yung problema niyan. So easily replaceable siya kasi madali naman siyang buksan. Yun nga lang, maghahanap ka ng battery kung gusto mong palitan. Okay guys, so we bought 4 units of TWS wireless earbuds, and we got 2 working as is. Itong dalawang to medyo may sira, but we are able to repair one. So pinalitan natin ng battery itong isang to. So it's working now. As you can see, napagana natin itong isang to. Although, itong isang to, ito yung tinanggal natin kasing battery, So, kailangan pa natin bumili ng ganito para palitan yung nasa loob niya. And then, yung binuksan natin itong isang to kanina, ito mahirap hanapin yung battery, napakaliit na. I don't know kung merong available, pero kung makakahanap tayo, makakabili tayo, definitely mare-repair pa rin natin to, So as you can see, earbuds are not really that disposable as long as you know how to fix it. At kung may makukunan kayong battery lang naman talaga nasisira dito, Yung kanyang earbuds, bihirang masira yan, So working parati ang Bluetooth niyan, matagal masira. Yung battery ang unang nasisira dyan. So as long as you can replace the battery, it's fixable, pero Kaya lang nila sinasabi talang disposable is because you cannot easily replace a battery without finding the exact size. So I guess that's it for now. Sana na-prove natin na these things are repairable, no? Kahit yung mga cellphones naman natin na built-in battery, hindi naman talaga siya totally disposable. As long as you know how to do it, how to fix it, sa mga technician, sa mga marunong sa electronics, yeah, it's repairable. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.